To easily copy text on your screen to your note with Smart Select on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, go to the screen where it displays text you like to copy. As the example, we will copy some text from the Chrome browser app to your new note. Remove your S Pen. On the air comment, tap Smart Select. Now, draw around the text you like to copy with your S Pen. Tap the extract text icon to extract text within the selected area. Tap more icon or 3 vertical dot icon below the selected area. And then select Add to Note. As you can see, the selected text has been copied to a new note on the Samsung Note app. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.